Hey everyone! Do you have a Bluetooth headphone that's not powering on, has a dead battery, or drains too quickly? If yes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Bluetooth headphones step by step. First, let's identify which side holds the battery. Usually, the charging port indicates where the battery is installed. Now, let's open the headphone. Start by removing the ear cushions carefully. Then, use a mini screwdriver to remove the screws. This may vary depending on your headphone model. In our case, there are no screws. It's just locked in place. So we'll gently lift the cover. Inside, you'll see a polymer battery connected with red and black wires. Take a look. This battery is bulged, which is why it's not working properly and drains instantly. So, we'll replace it with a new one. Here's the replacement battery. It's the same size and voltage, 3.7 volts, 300 milliamp hours. Notice the difference. The new battery is slim, while the old one is puffed up. Now, let's desolder the old battery. Carefully remove the red and black wires from the old battery. Then, solder the red wire of the new battery to red and black to black. Once the connections are done, it's always a good idea to test the charging before reassembling everything. I've got a 5-volt phone charging cable here. Let's plug it into the charging port. As you can see, the red charging light is on. This means the new battery is working and charging properly. Next, cover the solder joints with heat shrink tubing or electrical insulation tape for safety. Remove the old double-sided tape. And apply a new piece inside the battery compartment. Now place the new battery on the tape and press it gently so it sticks securely. It's time to reassemble the headphones. Follow the steps in reverse. Place the top cover back on. Then insert the ear cushions. That's it. The battery is now replaced and the headset is ready to use. It's always recommended to fully charge the battery before first use. You can hear the sound now. It's working great. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tech repair tips.